In this video, I'm going to be breaking down our newest, most amazing feature that we are calling AI workflows. I'm going to get into it and show you exactly how it works, but in short, AI workflows are just a very simplified, easy way to generate your AI assets. So let's check it out. Here on the Kittl page, we're actually in the AI hub, which is really where you land when you log in, or if you create an account, you're gonna land right here in the AI hub. And if you scroll down, you'll see this start a workflow. And right off the bat, you're gonna see we have so many options for things. We've got merchandise. These are more so designs, UGC style videos, product visuals, product listing videos, marketing. The list goes on, and this is only the beginning. We're going to be adding more all the time. I'm going to click into one of these just to show you how it works. Let's try this one. And right off the bat, this should be pretty easy to understand what's going on. We have a left side where it's requesting some information from us, and then the right side is where our asset will be generated. It's showing us an example of what this workflow did. So I'm gonna go over here and drop an image in. Let's say this is the product image that I want to use, and then I'm just gonna pick a scene. I do love the dried and stone scene, so we're just gonna hit generate. And the good thing about this is that I can just click each one of these, boop, generate, click another one, generate. If I want to see a bunch of different options, I can just have them all start generating, and they're all going to be right in this same window. And if you want to leave and go do something else in a different tab or start another workflow, this will be here for you, and you can come back to it and see your assets. We're starting to get some of our assets loading in here, and these are just absolutely incredible. We've got all 5 now, and I have no notes. These are amazing. And if you want different variations of this, for example, say I wanted a couple different, dried and stone versions to use for different things, I could just click 1, 2, 3, and I'm generating 4 more. And I've got my other options here. Let's say this is my favorite one. We've made it so easy for you to just go right here, click download, choose your file type, and then download it right from the workflow. There's also this little edit button, and I'm gonna show you what that does just in a second, but I'm gonna go to a second workflow. So I'm gonna hit back. So we're gonna go back to our AI hub where all of the workflows are, and you can also just see that this just populated right here. That is that project file, if you wanted to go back, reference it, create more, download more. All of your workflows are gonna be saved right here. I actually want to try out one of these try on TikTok video templates. I've got an image of my product, my t-shirt in here, and then it just needs a couple more bits of information. I'm going to say mid-30s, female, casual, and we could just say living room. And I'm going to hit generate. While that's generating, I'm going to show you what that edit button does, and then we'll come back and look at our result. So I'm going to click back, go back to our botanical product scene, and let's say I edit this one. So I'm going to click edit. There are a couple things that we can do here. We have some options: remove background, vectorize, upscale, but you're also going to see this right here, and this is awesome. You can click this and open it up directly in a new project and edit it from there. So as you can see, this is loaded into my canvas. I'm just going to drag it off this artboard right here, maybe size it up. I see my sizing dimensions here. I want it to be a little bigger so I know what I'm working with. And the good thing about this is I can continue to create iterations of this right here in the canvas with agentic mode. So I could just come in here and say, create 4 more angles of this. 4 photos, square aspect ratio. And it doesn't even need any more context than that. I'm gonna hit generate. It's starting to think, and you can see I said 4, and it's starting to generate 4 assets for me. And I've got all 4 of my generations ready to go, and they all look flawless. Let's go back and check out our generation. Our casual try-on apparel is ready, and this looks amazing. I have no notes on this. The decisions that it makes in terms of scenery and ambiance are always spot on. And I can just download this right from here and post it. And remember, it doesn't have to stop there. I could come over and I could say, put in a different description of a model, choose a different scene, and click generate, and it's gonna generate right next to my current video. Well, that is AI workflows. Super simple, right? Go ahead and try it out for yourself today. If you haven't ever used Kittl before, it's free to sign up and try. And if you have a free plan and you're wanting to upgrade to get some more of those premium features, maybe a little more monthly credits, we have a promo code for you in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.